Mondays in Bangkok begin quietly. The city hums outside my window, and before anything else, I make coffee. The smell fills the room as I open the balcony door. Warm air, exhaust, jasmine, and street food. A mix of everything that makes this city feel alive. That first breath always makes me smile. Most mornings starts the same. A few hours in the studio, reading emails, checking the news, editing some videos, maybe working on music if inspiration shows up early. After that, breakfast. Simple, late, but always earned. Then it's time to plan the day. Mondays are my reset. I go to Big C to restock the basics, meats, eggs, and all the protein I need for the week. Back home, I fry up a few portions, so the fridge is ready for whatever the week brings. While the laundry spins, I head to the gym. It's part of the balance, body-mind routine. After that, I eat. Sometimes at home, sometimes out in the streets, where the best flavors usually hide in plain sight. As the afternoon starts to fade, the city changes its color. That's when I like to walk. Today I started in Saphan Khwai, where afternoon light slips between tangled power lines, and the air smells like street food and exhaust. There's a rhythm there, not loud, just constant. A heartbeat of Bangkok you only hear when you slow down. I kept walking south, passing small shops, people finishing work, and eventually reached the river. The neighborhood shifted. Narrow lanes, prayer calls drifting from mosques. Families sitting outside as the day cooled down. Even a small graveyard tucked behind a fence, a quiet corner most people never see. From there, I follow the river past the old postal building, past hotels that shine against the water, and into Talat Noi, where every alley feels like a story still being told. Metal clanging from workshops, paint peeling off shutters, cafes hiding behind rust and ivy. Then Chinatown. Lights everywhere. The smell of garlic, steam, and roasted chestnuts. The city felt alive again. But I didn't feel the need to keep up with it. That's the art of a slow Monday. Finding space between the noise. Not escaping the city, just walking through it at your own tempo.